Hi everybody! The video of this week is comparatives and superlative adjectives, so let's go to learn it. First, what is an adjective? Adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of the nouns. They can also describe the quantity of nouns. Example, the white house, the blue sky, and an adjective usually is next to a noun. For example, a green shirt, a 5 cats, and the noun could be plural, but the adjective no. The adjective always is singular. For example, there are all beds in the hospital, nobody liked the red shoes. Now, the order of adjectives. First, we have size, big, tall, small. Example, the small sheep. 2. Age, or it could be old, young, new. Example, an old book. 3. Shape, it could be long, fat, round. Example, a fat cat. 4. Color, it could be blue, red, pink, brown. Example, the pink dresses are cheap. And 5. Origin, it could be American, Brazilian, Japanese. For example, she is my Japanese friend. 6. Material, it could be plastic, synthetic. Example, the plastic toys are cheap. 7. Purpose, it could be shopping, playing, riding. Example, Alice is shopping tomatoes. 8. Quantity, it could be 1, 10, 40. For example, Mr. Gio has 4 cars. And 9. Quality or opinion, it could be lovely, nice, delicious. For example, it was a delicious cake. Now we can use all adjectives to describe something. The comparative adjectives. We use comparative adjectives to show change or make comparisons. For example, this cell phone is more expensive. And we use the than when we want to compare one thing with another. For example, the mouse is smaller than a cat. Now the rules of the comparative adjectives. To make a comparative adjective, we need an adjective with one syllable. We add, it could be er, or just are, plus than. For example, cold and nice. It is colder than and nicer than. For example, winter is colder than summer. Chocolate ice cream is nicer than strawberry ice cream. 2. We need an adjective with 2 or more syllables, and we add more plus the adjective plus than. For example, with expensive, it could be more expensive than, and the example is this restaurant is more expensive than the Chinese restaurant. Now the last one, adjective with 2 syllables that end in u. We change and we add er plus than. For example, with happy is happier than. For example, John is happier than Sally. And we have irregular adjectives, and they are good, that is better than, bad, that is worse than, and far, that is further than or further than. And superlative adjectives. As superlative adjectives are used to describe an object which is at the upper or lower limit of a quality. For example, I am the shortest in my family. And the rules of the superlative adjectives are: first, Adjective with one syllable, we add the adjective plus est or est and t. For example, cold, the superlative form, the coldest. Example, January is the coldest month of the year. And second, an adjective with two or more syllables, we add the and most and the adjective. For example, expensive, the superlative form, the most expensive. For example, we eat at the most expensive restaurant in the town. Now, the last one, adjective with two syllables that end in u, we add the and the adjective plus est. For example, happy, the superlative form, the happiest, and the example, John is the happiest husband in the city. And we have irregular adjectives again. For example, good is the best, bad is the worst, far the farthest, or the furthest. So that's all. Thank you so much for your attention. So if you have questions, leave in the comments. So see you next.